Hello everyone, this is Raheel, and today I'll be showing you how to correctly do watermarks in Photoshop CC 2020. So if you don't know what a watermark is, a watermark is a transparent or translucent per se overlay on a image that you choose. So I'll make a quick watermark here right now, but you can choose whatever image you want as long as it's pretty much transparent. By pretty much I mean I'll put this opacity at 10%. Just so it's barely visible, but it is noticeable. So I have my watermark over here. I'll just put it in the bottom right corner, actually. I don't want to export this and go retrieve it sometime later in my file system. It would be much easier for me to save this in the library section of Creative Cloud to apply it nice and easily to images quickly. What I can do is simply drag this layer into my library. I just have some other layers from Adobe Illustrator in here. And I'll just drag this in, and it's instantly added. And if I open up a new project, or not a new project, a recently edited one, I have this project over here, and I could simply just drag this in. So as you can see, you can't actually turn the opacity up because it essentially takes it as an exported image, but it's really quick and easy to access it. And by using Creative Cloud libraries and their groups function, watermarking becomes really easy. If you did like this video, be sure to subscribe and drop a like. See you in the next one.